Financial growth usually is part of the goals set for many business owners. You can obtain financial growth by letting the strategies and lessons that you experience in your business guide you towards not only the growth that you want, but also prosperity in your business. It takes intention to transform your business aspirations into financial realities. And when you incorporate the strategies I talk about today in your business, you'll pave the way for greater financial success. In today's podcast episode, I'm talking about insights that will reignite your passion for your business, as well as strategies to consider for financial growth in your business. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. When you learn about these practical insights, you can start to apply them in your own entrepreneurial journey. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. When you're considering financial growth for your business, there are a few strategies that I recommend you take into consideration. The first thing I want to discuss is financial growth mindset. Having the right mindset will help you seek out opportunities, take calculated risks, and ultimately grow your business. Think about this for a minute. If you are a business owner who struggles with a scarcity mindset, You might be constantly worried about losing clients and making ends meet. When you recognize the limitations of this mindset, you can begin to embrace an abundance mindset. When you do this, you can start to view challenges as opportunities. You can take calculated risks, possibly expand your product line or the services that you offer, and tap into new markets. Over time, you could achieve substantial financial growth. When you transform your mindset from scarcity to abundance, your perception of what you can do for your business changes exponentially. I always recommend that you set financial goals. Make sure that they are clear and realistic. You may have heard the saying that what you focus on grows. When you set financial goals and you follow through on achieving them with a positive financial growth mindset, you can focus on your revenues or your net income and watch it grow as well. Next, let's talk about financial growth strategies. When you set your financial goals, make sure that you have a clear roadmap. Set specific and measurable financial goals for your business. By breaking down your ambitious goals into smaller, achievable milestones and closely tracking your progress, you'll know exactly what you need to do next in your business. You'll know when you've met your goals as well as when you exceed your targets. Whenever you have a well-defined financial goal, it can serve as a powerful motivator and guide to financial growth. Any obstacle you run into is not a setback. You can use these obstacles to help define what your next moves are so that you can continue on the path to reach your goals. You may find that diversification would also lead your business to financial growth. Take, for example, when you diversify your products or services to reach a broader customer base. You can increase revenues if they resonate with your existing customers, or it may attract new ones. By increasing your revenue streams, your business can become more resilient and ultimately contribute to substantial financial growth. Leveraging technology can also lead to financial growth strategies. For example, you may add an online store to expand your customer reach far beyond your local market, which could significantly boost sales and profits. Another strategy would be to use a customer-centric approach. When you know that customer satisfaction is the key to your success, you could actively seek feedback, make improvements based on customer suggestions, and implement a loyalty program. When your customers become advocates, referring friends and family, it can result in a rapidly growing customer base and increased revenue as well. Lastly, I want to touch on navigating financial challenges. When your business is facing a severe financial crisis, such as during an economic downturn, instead of panicking, you could take a strategic approach. This may be the time to take a look at non-essential expenses, renegotiate supplier contracts, and restructuring your debt. When you have a challenging time like this, and you're careful with your financial management, it will help your business weather the storm. Eventually, when the economy improves, your business could emerge stronger and more profitable than ever. This would demonstrate the importance of effective crisis management in sustaining growth. You could also implement a risk management strategy that would include scenario planning and diversifying your client base or other unexpected industry shifts before they occur. When you are prepared for these risks and you can adapt quickly or pivot, it will mitigate potential losses and maintain your growth trajectory. Risk management is crucial for long-term financial growth. Overcoming obstacles and achieving financial growth is something you need to think about in your business. By being open and proactive about situations before they arise, you'll be much more able and resilient when it comes to handling whatever comes your way in business. By creating your financial growth plan, you'll be able to optimize financial strategies. By consistently assessing your mindset, setting clear financial goals, and implementing growth strategies, you'll be setting your business up for success. If you'd like some help in any of these areas in either your business or your personal life, so that you can relieve the stress, anxiety, and overwhelm that you're currently feeling, I'm here to help you. Having an accountant and certified life coach like me can provide you with valuable insights and ideas to help you simplify your business, which enables you to go back to enjoying your business like you thought you would when you very first started it. I work with business owners and accountants to create the actionable steps that they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm they feel from the pressure of owning a business, deadlines, and the workload that they face every day. If you're struggling with this as well and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, I'd love for you to join me in my Balanced Life Coaching Program so that you can live a more purposeful life. Each week we meet privately, one-on-one, and you get to bring whatever is on your mind on any given week. It could be your highest priority you want to work on, whatever you want more of in your life, or if there's something that's weighing on you heavily that you need coaching on, and we'll work through it together. Having a certified life coach like me helping you through all of this allows you to feel so seen and cared for, and the results are amazing. Everyone benefits when they work with a certified life coach. After every call, you feel energized and you know exactly what to do for the week to come, and relief knowing that we'll meet again the next week to go over anything that comes up after the call. You'll gain self-awareness while you take each step towards your goals. The investment in this program is an easy yes for you. I've set this program up in the most supportive way. If you're ready to join the Balanced Life Coaching Program, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. You'll see the link to join as well as additional information about the program. Sign up now. There are limited spots available for this program due to the one-on-one aspect, and it does sell out. If the payment link is gone, you can get on my wait list to join the program when additional spots are available. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I coach everybody on everything. Everyone has something they want in their lives, and I help them get it. I know this is something you've been waiting for. I've been asked by many of my listeners to create this exact program. The faster you get access to the program, the quicker you'll see the possibilities that are available to you. I also have a risk-free guarantee. I believe so strongly that everyone benefits from coaching that when you sign up today, if for any reason you're not satisfied with your first session, you can send us an email and we'll refund you immediately. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Make this investment for yourself. Take the journey with me. Make it happen for yourself. Ask yourself why you need this program in your life right now. Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career, and to start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, Join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.